Let's crochet the carnation. This carnation is made up of main body of the flower and the calyx. We'll demonstrate with a blue yarn. Start with a magic ring like this. Thread the thicker end of the crochet hook into the magic ring. Yarn round hook and pull the yarn through the magic ring. Yarn round hook and pull it through the loop on the hook. We need to make 3 chain stitches first. Here we have 3 V shapes, which are the 3 chain stitches. Then make 10 double crochets. Yarn round hook. Insert hook into a magic ring and pull up 1 loop. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn round hook and pull through the first 2 loops on hook. Yarn round hook again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. 1 double crochet is done. Place a locking stitch marker in the first stitch. Continue to make the second double crochet in the same way. Pull up a loop. Yarn round hook, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn round hook again, pull through the remaining 2 loops. 2 double crochets are finished. Continue with the third one. Okay, 3 double crochets are done. Continue to finish the remaining 7 double crochets in the same way. Okay, once completed, take the yarn down from the middle finger, and then we pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Then, you need to join this round with a slip stitch. Remove the marker. Insert hook into the first stitch. Pull out the yarn, and then pull it through the original loop on your hook. That's 1 slip stitch. Tighten this loop and adjust it. In round 2, start with 3 chain stitches. 3. Okay, also work 10 double crochets in this round. Yarn round hook, insert the hook into the first stitch. Pull up 1 loop. Yarn round hook, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn round hook, pull through the remaining 2 loops. Continue to work double crochets in the same way. Continue to crochet in the same way to complete 10 double crochets in total for this round. Once completed, join this round with a slip stitch. Insert hook into the first stitch. Pull out the yarn, and then pull it through the original loop on your hook. Tighten this loop and adjust it. In round 3, also start with 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then you will need to make 6 double crochets in the same stitch for 10 times. The first double crochet is done. Then in the same stitch, also work double crochet. Continue, also in the same stitch, work the third double crochet. In the same stitch, the fourth one, then the fifth one, then the sixth one. Okay, in the next stitch, also work 6 double crochets. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the sixth one. Then continue to finish this round by crocheting in the same way. You need to work 6 double crochets in the same stitch for 10 times in total for this round. Continue, make 6 double crochets in the same stitch. In the same way, let's finish this round. In the last stitch, also 6 double crochets. Okay, then work a slip stitch to join this round. Counting from this side, the fourth V shape, we make a slip stitch to finish. Pull it tight like this. If you need to change color, you can do this when making the slip stitch. For example, if you need to change to white yarn, break yarn right here, leaving a long tail about 10 cm. For white yarn, yarn round hook, and then you need to pinch the white yarn with the fabric. Insert hook, white yarn round hook, and you pull it over here and pull it through the blue loop. Now tighten the blue loop. In round 4, you need to make 3 chain stitches first. 1, 2, 3. Then you need to repeat this set 1 single crochet, 3 chain stitches in the same stitch for 60 times. Okay, 1 single crochet is done. Go ahead with 3 chain stitches. 3. Then work 1 single crochet and 3 chain stitches in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3 chain stitches. Then repeat to make 1 single crochet and 3 chain stitches in the same stitch until you finish this round. Three chain stitches. Then 1 single crochet. 3 chain stitches. 1 single crochet. This pattern will be repeated for 60 times in total for this round. Three chain stitches. 1 single crochet. After making the laces, you make a slip stitch to finish. Okay, work a slip stitch. Pull the loop bigger, break yarn, and pull out the tail. Fasten off and weave in end with a yarn needle. Conceal this white yarn. Cut off excess yarn tail. Leave the blue one here. Then conceal another white yarn in the same way. Cut off excess yarn tail. Thread this blue yarn down here. Next, let's crochet the calyx with green yarn.